put a support underneath the transmission. You could use a transmission jack. I'm going to use a piece of wood. Ideally, you want a piece of wood that goes beyond the pan and right in this area where the crease is. It's a good and strong area. Just going to raise up the transmission just a little bit. These are a little bit rusty, so I'm just going to spray a little rust penetrant on there. Now I'm going to take the nuts off. I'm going to use a 15mm socket. Watch your eyeballs. I'll take the other one off as well. Now that those nuts are off, ours broke in this situation. Just double check your support on the transmission. Just make sure that's loose and separated from the cross member. Just spray some rust penetrant on these bolts and these also. Now I'm going to use a 21mm wrench on the nut side and a 21mm socket. Take the nut off. Now I'm going to do the same on this side. Just going to support this cross member as I take these bolts out. Same with this side. And just grab this and slide it down. If you need to, you can use a pry bar and pry it down. Now I'm going to take these bolts out. There's two of them. I'm going to use a 15mm socket. And hold the mount while you take the other one out. And there you go. And line the mount up. Let's get the bolts in. And get the other one right there. And torque these bolts to 37 foot-pounds. Take the cross member, slide it back in position. The little part that's notched out goes on this side where the front drive shaft is. And put the bolts through. Get these nuts started. And now we'll tighten these up. We'll tighten those to 52 foot-pounds. Now lower down the screw jack. And install the two nuts. And then torque these to 30 foot-pounds.